Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to add product description accordion on Shopify product page, and each product will have a different content on the accordion, which will be description or whatever you want. That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video, and without any more talking, let's just get to it. So as you can see, this is a product, for example, and this is the accordion. If I click on this bracelet feature, it opens up in a very nice way, and it has its own description, and the same for the others. So each of this content right here will be different for each product. So all the products, they all will have different content, and you can specify the content you want to set for each product, obviously. And this is all without using any applications and less than 5 minutes. Without any more talking, let's just jump to it and show you how to add this for each product. Because if I reloaded the page, I already removed it, as you can see, so it doesn't exist anymore. How to add that and add the content will be different for each product. First thing you're going to do is access Shopify dashboard. After that, click on the settings at the bottom left corner, and after that, click on Metafields and Meta Objects here in the menu. And the first option below the Metafields definitions here should be products. Click on it, then click on add definition. And on the name here, make sure you type exactly as I did, or I mean as I will do. So type in accordion content, just like you see. So take a moment to look exactly how I write it. So make sure you type in exactly accordion content, just like this, with space between each word. Now the next thing you're going to do is below here, click on select type and scroll down a little bit, and you will see rich text, this option right here. Click on it, then click on save. Now we are done here. Now close the settings and access sales channel and click on online store. Then the first thing you're going to do is click on the three dots beside edit team and duplicated team. So do this on the duplicated team. If you like the changes, happy for you. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on edit team for the duplicated team and click on the home page. At the top of the page, click on product and select the template you are using for your products. On the left of the page right here, below template, as you can see, you should see product information or product section, depends on the team you are using. Click on the arrow to be expanded. Now scroll all the way down and simply move where you want to add the accordion. In my case, I want to add it above the normal product description. So I'm going to move the mouse cursor just above it. Then I click on plus button. I'm going to search for custom, and you will see custom liquid. Click on it, and you should show you this option right here so you can paste in some code. Where are you going to get that code from? Description. Scroll down description box and you will see a link. Click on it and it will open up this website, and simply copy the code using this button right here. Get back in here and paste it in the custom liquid block. Click on save and nothing will show up. Why? Because we need to specify the content. Because as I said, each accordion or each product will have an accordion with its own content that's different from the other product. How to specify that content? Easy. Exit from the team editor, access product section, and simply navigate to that product. In my case, I want to add it to the same one. So I'm going to click and search for this one, bangle bracelet, this one right here. After you access the product, scroll all the way down to product Metafields, this one, and you will see the metafield we created, which is accordion content. If you click on it, you should see this rich text input. And obviously, you have to type in here the content. However, as you saw, I have multiple accordions. So how to specify multiple accordions? Very easy. For example, I have this short description, which is the same one you saw earlier. So I want to add this one right here. So this one that has the number 1, it will be the title for the accordion. So I'm gonna copy this one, then I'm gonna paste it in here. So in order for this one to be the title of the accordion, I will simply click on the arrow here, and I'm gonna set it as hidden tree, just like this. Now, after it was hidden tree, this one will be the title of the accordion. After that, click on enter on your keyboard, just like this. Now paste in the description below it. Let me copy this one. I'm going to paste it in here. Now again, click on enter again. Now I'm going to copy the second one, which will be the care and materials. I'm going to paste it in here, but this one, as I said, I want it to be the title of the accordion. To do so, click on the arrow, set it to hidden tree. Now click on enter again. Now I'm going to paste in the second one and just repeat. I forgot an M here, and just repeat. That's very simple. Now let me click on save and show you what I'm talking about. So if I get back in here and reload the page, and as you can see, the one I did set as hidden tree became the title for the accordion. Or once I click on, for example, the bracelet features, it will show me the description I added below. And the same one for the materials and care, I set it as hidden tree. And if I click on it, it will show me the description below. That's very easy, right? You can add a limited, but I don't recommend you to go over 5. It's gonna be too much. And that's how you add accordion description on the product page, with each product has its own content. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.